Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. Welcome to the Pop-Up Gallery. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to create a pop-up garden with just simple V-fold mechanism. So stay right there and keep watching. This is our spread. As usual, it is designed with colored pencil. These are the pop-up elements. The bigger one will serve as the background. So, let's start with the front flowers. Just create a crease in the center, then place it in V-fold position. Do the same way to the other elements. I noticed that this background flower doesn't look sturdy, so I have to fix it and find some remedy. So I created a bigger tab for it so that it would have a strong hold onto the spread. Okay, that's nice. It looks much better now. Let's add another element, just a little higher grasses, to add some more greens at the back. Okay, here it is. That's a perfect little green garden. Thank you very much, pop-uppers. You can try it too and let me know how you design yours. See you next time. Bye!